What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if you are running N8N from your Docker container and you want to connect to Ollama, which is running on your local host. So for example, I have Ollama running on my local host. You can see it's running here. If I say hi, it says hello, how can I assist you today? So this is Ollama running the DeepSeek R18B model on my local machine. Now what I want to do is I want to connect to this Ollama model using my N8N. So it's very simple to do with this. You can add a new node and search for HTTP request node. So just add this node and you will have the following options. Now what you need to do inside this node is you need to do the following configuration. Choose the method as post, and for the URL, this is very important because you are running it on the Docker container. The N8N is running on the Docker container. What you need to do is you need to type in the following URL, which is http://host.docker.internal:11434/API/generate. This you can get from where you are running your Ollama, on which port you are running your Ollama. By default, it's going to be 11434. And authentication is going to be set to none. And you need to send headers. The first one is going to be the content-type, which is going to be equal to application/JSON. So just copy this and paste this in your configuration as well. Then you are going to send body, and you will choose the body content type as JSON and specify body using JSON. All right. Now you're going to type in this following JSON where you'll specify the model. For me, I'm running the DeepSeek R1:8B. You can check your models that you have on your Ollama by doing Ollama ls. So you can see right now I have all these three models, which are all DeepSeek, but whatever you want to run, just grab the name of that model and you are going to put that inside this JSON right here. And then you are going to enter the prompt. Let's say I simply put say hello, and the stream is going to be false because I don't want to stream the response. This you can then automate by creating variables or whatever you want to do. But for now, I'm going to keep it simple and going to put it a static value saying say hello. Now, if I execute the step, you can see I get back response, hello, how can I assist you today? So this means that I am successfully connected to Ollama, which is running on my local, and connected to my N8N, which is running on a Docker container. So if you had issues with this setup, now you can solve this issue. And if it did resolve your issue, you owe me a subscribe and a like. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.